Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are from All Star Group 7 and we are here to share with you the benefits of being an All Star member.
Hey Ziliang!
Yes!
Look!
Oh my goodness! The red shirt girl!
Exactly!
She's so pretty!
Yeah, she's hot!
Oh my goodness!
Hey, wait. Let's come back to the point.
Oh, sure.
Hey Ziliang!
Yeah?
What are the benefits of joining All Star?
Well, there are many benefits such as making a lot of friends. Before that, I only have one friend, which is Roy, but now I got many. That's why imaginary here.
Sad.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Anyway, you get to organize events with your friends and I think it's a very good experience. Alright, Roy, so what events have you organized?
Well, the first event we organized is Movies Night, that we sell tickets and let people come for a Movies Night. First movie was basically a horror movie known as, what was that movie again?
Conjuring.
Exactly. And then our second event, you know our second event was a charity run. We collect money and send money to, what was it? So we send to who? The orphanage.
Exactly.
Okay, now thanks for the lineup. And our last event, you know what they have done?
A haunted house.
Exactly.
With ghosts and stuff. And it's fun.
It's awesome.
Alright, Roy, so personally, how do you feel about this All-Star thing?
Well, it's exciting. What do you think?
Fantastic.
Fantastic! Fantastic!
Alright, that's it for us. Peace
Peace
out.
out!
We are from like a G4. Hi. Why we join Student Ambassador? Because fun ma. My girlfriend lah.
Yeah, we can make more girlfriends, boyfriends, gay friends, best friends.
Why do you think we are here? Huh? Yes, I'm single.
Gay friend,
Whether private or
gay friends.
Hey, you start recording now.
Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you. Hi, I'm Brendan. Throughout the past experience of organizing event, I would say what I learned is the YOLO mentality, you know. So you organize event with your friends, your group members, and you stay up late and organize event, a successful event, and you still end up passing all your grades, so it's good. Last minute.
Hi, I'm Darshan. I was the event coordinator of the basketball tournament. Before this, I did not have any chance to organize any tournament, though I play basketball. But being a part of All-Star, I had the chance to work together with a team of awesome members. Organizing a basketball tournament is never easy, but if you work together as a team, everything will be alright. So, why not join All-Star?
Hi, I'm Elaine. I really encourage you to join this All-Star. You like it. It's fun. I'm Karen, so I really encourage you to join also. Even though I didn't join a lot of events, but it's still good, okay? Don't miss the fun, okay?
Hi, I'm Sishi from March Intake. Don't be afraid and come and join us. It is fun, it's interesting. I dare you to join All-Star. Bye!
What's up, guys? What's up? Look at me, so beautiful. You wanna know why? Look around you. We're so beautiful, like this flower. Oh yeah!
Hey guys, why All-Star? After joining All-Star, my boring little bit, my idea become bulimic.
Join All-Star lor!
I'm Sandra, not the bra. I'm Jasmine, not the tea.
I'm Jaspreet, not desperate.
I'm Megan, not the fox. And I'm Looping, the pink.
Okay, what we learn is
Teamwork, leadership,
friendship.
time management. Lastly, you can see that we're not nerds.
1, 2, 3, like a G4!
Hey guys, my name is Kenneth and I'm from All-Star like a G4. First of all, being an All-Star, I had the most amazing experience of my life. It strengthens the bond between us. We're not just friends, we're Ohana, and Ohana means family. And the most important thing of all is I feel sexier.
And we are from
Like a
G4.
So, being their mentor for these 6 months, through organizing small and big scale events, it can be seen that their teamwork, leadership and capabilities are all beyond expectation.
Yeah, and by joining All-Star, we can really see that they grew throughout these 6 months, and actually by joining All-Star, it really molded us into a better leader and better person. And we have organized a lot of events, for example, dart tournament and basketball tournament in Altruism April to raise fund. And last week, we organized a murder mystery game, and we're really satisfied with it because we received a lot of positive feedback.
And I'm the event coordinator for the mystery game. I can really feel the teamwork burning in the air. Okay, and in All-Star, everyone stands a chance to become an event coordinator. So grab the chance and shine! So join All-Star, join the fun!
Sexier than you! Sexier than you!
Sexier than you.
I'm the sexiest.
That's why I joined All Star.